I was striking suave, ambitious, feet too big, super delicious. Now I'm vile, I am villain, vicious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all. A TV show, women too. I was tall, over 1'2". Then they got a pretty parakeet to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil, why I do what I do. So young and vital. A South American idol. Who said that about me? You rotisserie. I was looking of telenovelas, the envy of all the other fellas. Then I was pushed out for a pretty tiny parakeet from Paraguay they call Patricius. Common Paraguayan name. I'm insidious. Oh, I'm hideous. I'm a cockatoo. Yes, that bit's true. I'm a feathery freak with a beak, a bird murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard you. I'm evil. I'll fling your cheese for evils.